This video will demonstrate the proper way to install your true air curtain cooler. First, make sure the operating environment does not exceed 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius and 55% relative humidity. Make sure the unit is not installed in direct sunlight or near HVAC vents. Avoid fans and doorways when installing this unit. Basic electrical information is located on the serial number sticker on the inside left wall. Consult the spec sheet and install manual for more information regarding voltage and plug type. Make sure to level the cabinet. Place a level on the floor of the cabinet and level from side to side and front to back. Before loading the unit, make sure the TAC is not placed near any air drafts. Excessive airflow around the cabinet can affect the interior airflow. There should be 8 inches or 204 millimeters of clearance space above the cabinet. There should also be 3 inches or 77 millimeters of clearance space from the back of the cabinet. For proper operation, make sure the cabinet is fully loaded. Do not allow product to overhang on the shelves or block the air ducts on the floor, as this will not allow the unit to run properly. For assistance, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-855-372-1368.